Yes, my people. Bola Tinubu don't file emergency appeal for Chicago State Court to block the Chicago State University from releasing his document after the Judge Gilbert talk say make Chicago State University release all the documents and still come for court, come grant the position, that is, come swear under oath, say the certificate that the document that they release say they authentic. Tinubu don't go file emergency appeal to block am. Hear the details. What video make you share and make other push am? I know say at the end of the day, we go get the actual reason why this document really not talk.
Bola Tinubu files emergency appeal to block Chicago University from releasing records testifying under oath. Emiloko. He said, President Bola Tinubu has filed an emergency application seeking a review of the judgment that ordered the release of his academic records to Tr0uble. Judge Jeffrey Gilbert to the United States District Court had, on September 19, ordered Chicago State University to release Mr. Tinubu's records to his Nigerian political opponent as part of an ongoing election challenge proceedings in Nigeria. The judge said the records must be turned over to Mr. Abubakar on September 21st. He also said school administrators must submit themselves to certify all released documents under oath. But as the school started preparing to release the files, Mr. Tinubu entered an emergency application in the district asking a senior judge to review Mr. Gilbert's September 19 order and delay execution until at least September 25th. Can you imagine? Until September 25th. Why does he want them to delay? Okay. Due to the timing for compliance by Chicago State University, later today, intervenor is filing this motion separately from its challenge to the magistrate's ruling on the application. Mr. Tinubu's lawyer, led by Christopher Carmichael, said intervenor intends to file by the end of the day substantive brief addressing the errors in the magistrate's decision. Judge Nancy Maldonado of the district has scheduled an urgent hearing on the matter for 3 p.m. local time. Lawyers to all parties, Chicago State University and Mr. Tinubu and Atiku, are expected to join the virtual conference. Tinubu and Atiku are expected to join the virtual conference. Details later. Okay.
The Supreme Court would not be taking any more evidence. Atiku has filed already. What exactly is Tinubu blocking these documents for? Earlier today, now I'm going to make that one a separate post entirely. But exactly why is Tinubu stopping the release of the documents? What could be therein? Even if he's going to expose the perjury or maybe the forgery or anything, he's still not going to do anything again, solve any problem again. Because the time has elapsed already for them to have to file, and they've already filed. So what's the need? Or probably he doesn't just want the document to be out there. Well, reasons best known to him. But to me, if I was the one, I think I shouldn't let anyone stress himself getting my records, because I genuinely own them, unless there is cockroach in my cupboard.